Okay. You have shared one file, yes, Abhishek?
Yes.
Where? Which one? This one? Okay, let me sorry, I'm not sharing my screen.
So the first one, Metal Hood Bracket Remastering Metal Hood Bracket.
This one?
Abhishek. Yes, sir.
Metal hood bracket, I think in beginner session, अभिषेक we have not completed the GSD. That's why हमने ये टॉपिक थोड़ा सा स्किप किया था कुछ दिन के लिए, एटलीस्ट फॉर 1 वीक, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमें सरफेसिंग लगेगा थोड़ा.
हमने
बेस्ट.
आधा किया था हमने इसमें, बाकी नहीं किया था.
ओके. डाउनलोड्स मेटल हुड ब्रैकेट अभिषेक. ओके.
सर मैं उसका पॉजिटिव बॉडी है वो शो कर सकता है, पॉजिटिव बॉडी है.
बट अभिषेक, वी विल डिस्कस दिस टॉपिक इन एडवांस बैच. नेक्स्ट आवर में हम डिस्कस करते हैं, क्योंकि
ठीक है. ठीक है.
कैसे बिगिनर्स का सरफेसिंग नहीं हुआ है ना अभी तक.
या
एंड
ठीक
दिस
है.
दिस इज बिगिनर्स सेशन. ओके. ओके.
ठीक है. फाइन.
यस.
फाइन सर.
सो नेक्स्ट आवर में डिस्कस करते हैं. सौप्तिक, विलास, महबूब, ऋषि,
Sir, I have shared the
मनीष.
exact like same file.
सेम फाइल, बट उसमें क्या इशू आपको?
Sir, can you check
ओके.
the method?
Let me close this one. हाँ. What we discussed in our last session, just skip these sides. Okay. What we have to cover by using GSD, just skip this step for now, and just try to match other things. And that faces we will match once we finish our basic GSD. Abhishek and Agni. Agni, please rename your file. Okay. यहाँ पे किसे ओवरलैप हो जाता है फिर. हाँ. Yes, this we can discuss. Yes, Soptik, what is the issue?
Sir, I have taken multiple access system. Like, is it okay?
Multiple access system. Show. This is your master, blue one.
Yellow one is the master access
Yellow
system.
one is a master. Okay.
Yes.
The yellow one is not the master. See, click on X. Which is the master access system? Yes,
Sir, I have
Soptik.
copied the yellow
No,
yellow one.
you have copied this one. So this is your absolute access
Yes.
system.
Yes, sir.
Which is your master design access system for this part?
The design access system is pink one.
This one. Okay, so let
Yes,
me
sir.
hide others. एलो का काम हो गया है. सी व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ एलो एक्सेस सिस्टम? इट इज एब्सोल्यूट एक्सेस सिस्टम जस्ट टू सेट द ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ एक्स वाई एंड जी. कैसे रहता है? सी यू हैव टेकन वन पॉइंट, देन यू विल नीड समथिंग फॉर द रेफरेंस. आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि एक्स कहाँ पे था, वाई कहाँ पे, जी कहाँ पे? सो यू विल नीड एब्सोल्यूट एक्सेस सिस्टम ओनली फॉर द रेफरेंस. Then as per the orientation of the part, as per the MTD, you will set one design access system, which will be your master access system. Okay. Okay, so let's hide L1. Yes, आपने क्या किया then? Is everything okay? Network issue आ रहा है मेरे side में?
हाँ सर, फाइन.
Okay. So let me cross check what is the issue. Just to recheck, this axis system should be perpendicular to this face, 90-degree perfect, and this should be parallel to your, oh sorry, this should be parallel to your absolute axis system. Not this is not a specific rule for all parts. This will be for only for this part. 0 degree perfect. So axis system is okay. Then let me hide this P1.
Sir,
Perfect.
I'm facing some problem in that beat.
ओके, नो इशू। यहाँ पे आपने सेपरेट एक्सेस सिस्टम लिया है, ओके, नो इशू। व्हाट इज दिस? ये एक्सेस सिस्टम का क्या काम है? व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ दिस
This one
एक्सेस
I
सिस्टम?
think,
आई थिंक आपका पुराना वाला था जितना मुझे याद है।
yes sir, previous one.
ओके, सो लेट्स हाइड, नो यूज। आपने लाइन मेथड यूज करके कर रहे हो आप, लाइन मेथड से?
Yes sir, I have taken two line to measure the draft angle and
ओके, गुड गुड
add
गुड
value.
गुड, नो इशू। सो व्हाट इज योर क्वेश्चन अभी? बेस अब कहाँ पे मेन डाउट कहाँ पे था आपका?
Sir, can you check the method for the
ओके।
like bead,
हम्म
front bead where two holes are there?
हम्म
That
ओके,
part.
सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल P1 body,
Yes.
you have started with P1. Why you have taken this position sketch in top view? What is the purpose? नहीं, what is the logic? See, I'm just trying to understand what is your logic. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं कि गलत है करके, but what is the purpose?
Sir, initially I thought that I will use solid combine.
Okay, some
Then
combine
sir
solid,
वो,
combine, हाँ,
yes sir, वो नहीं हो रहा था इसलिए ऐसे
okay,
ही
no
छोड़
issue.
दिया.
See, tell me, अगर आप टॉप व्यू में स्केच ले लेते, अब ब्लू एक्सिस सिस्टम का कुछ काम नहीं है फिलहाल, लेट्स हाइड दिस थिंग। ओके, if you want to draw the position sketch in top plane, top view like this, if you notice you are not getting any face exactly matching with your sketch, yes or no, in top plane?
Yes sir.
ना आपको ये वर्टिकल फेसेस मिल रहे हैं स्केच में, ना आपका टॉप फेस मैच हो रहा है, यस?
Yes sir.
So I will not take the position sketch in top plane, okay? So your first sketch should be like this. Click on X like this. So if I take, or I will define P1 directly, define P1. Okay, let me draw position sketch on this one. Okay, मेरे कुछ टूल दूसरे स्क्रीन पे चले गए. Yes, and I want to work in part design. Where is my window? Right click, customize. Are you getting my point, Soptik?
Yes sir.
Tools, restore all content, okay. Restore position, okay. Close, close this window. Clear everyone. Rushi, Vilas, I think you are attending session first time, yes? Manish, clear? Bhuvnesh, clear? We will draw our
Yes,
first position
yes, sir.
sketch
Yes, sir.
in Y plane. See, position sketch on this plane. Orientation is okay. H should be on right side, V should be on up side. Click OK. See, let me hide this one. See, can you project one? See, I will not select one by one. What I will do, exit. Again, you don't know the surfacing command, but you know the extract command, yes or no? Everyone, you know the extract command? Manish, Bhuvnesh, Soptik. See, I'm in GSD now. Where is extract? इसके पीछे रहेगा. No. हाँ, on this side. दो स्क्रीन रहने के बाद थोड़ा कंफ्यूज होता है. Okay. Extract. What can I do? I can extract this edge with tangency like this. Then I will click on OK. Then I will define P1. You can delete this history, no issue. Otherwise, just you can double click on the pad and you can change the input. Instead of sketch 15, you can give a new sketch. Position sketch on this plane, click OK. Instead of projecting one single edges, what I will do, right click center graph, I will project extract this one. Got it? In one shot. Where is project command? ओके, ये सेकंड स्क्रीन कनेक्ट किया ना तो ये सारे टूल्स दूसरे स्क्रीन पे चले जाते हैं. प्रोजेक्ट, लो लाइट, राइट क्लिक. इफ यू वांट टू आइसोलेट यू कैन आइसोलेट, नो इशू, बट यस आइसोलेट कीजिए. सी यू हैव टू ऑप्शन, undo. Why we are isolating this sketch? Because we don't want any relation with the dumb body. Yes, Mehboob, Bhuvnesh, Ganesh, Chaitanya, Rishi, Swaptik, yes. So shall I isolate from sketch directly, or can we do one thing? See, we have projected this extract, yes or no? And this extract is in relation with this dumb body. So can I isolate directly extract? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
समझ में आ रहा है? See, where is my tool? See, this is my dumb body. From this blue dumb body, I have extracted this curve, and from from this extracted curve, I have drawn this sketch. फिलहाल का एक लाइन प्रोजेक्ट किया, that's it. But see, body, then extracted curve, then in sketch we have projected. So अगर sketch में हम isolate करते हैं तो इन दोनों का relation break होगा, extract and sketch. If I isolate this one, this relation we will break. Dumb body and the extract. Got it? And what is our rule? हमें क्या चाहिए? We don't want to keep any relation with dumb body. So instead of extracting this one, I will directly extract this one so that यहाँ पे हम break कर देंगे relation. Got it? Yes or no? This we will keep clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rishi,
Yes, sir.
Chaitanya, Ganesh, Bhuvnesh, Manish, everyone, Mehboob, Agnew. Okay, see, advanced candidate को
Yes, sir.
पता है. Okay, so that's why instead of isolating, sorry, where is my sketch? 17. Instead of isolating this one, you can isolate, see, no issue. But इसको isolate करने के बाद क्या होगा? See, isolate. Okay, ये pieces में divide हो जाएगा. See, I don't want this thing. Are you getting? I don't want this thing. So undo, undo. I will isolate this one. मतलब अभी ये curve one हो गया. अभी ये, see, we don't have any relation with dumb body. Let me show you once again. Undo, undo. See, right click A. What is right click A? Right click parent children. What is the shortcut? A. Can you see small dash below A? So right click A will be the shortcut. Right click A. Here you can see input dump is in relation with extract 5. Then it is in relation with extract 7. Oh, sorry, sketch 17. So I will break this relation and I will keep this one. क्यों उसके pieces करना है? No issue. राइट क्लिक. सी सोर्स को ही अगर आइसोलेट कर दिया है तो बाकी का तो एनी हाउ इट विल मीन्स वी विल ब्रेक द रिलेशन विद डम बॉडी. सो राइट क्लिक आइसोलेट. ओके, सिर्फ ये थोड़ा अपडेट में जाएगा. राइट क्लिक एल, दैट्स इट. डबल क्लिक नाउ. डन. अभी इसको दिस वन एंड दिस वन.
Sir,
यस, सॉरी.
sir, in this type of profile, like, do we have to give the dimension or do we have to just fix it,
हाँ, गुड
fix
क्वेश्चन,
the
गुड
profile?
क्वेश्चन. अगर ऐसे टाइप के प्रोफाइल्स रहते, इफ यू आर गेटिंग सच टाइप प्रोफाइल, जस्ट फिक्स इट. See what I will do, right click. Let's say आपको ये isolate ही करना है. So what I will do, right click, isolate. Okay. Once you click on isolate, don't click anywhere. Just click on OK. ये देखिए, by default it is in select. It is already selected. Orange दिख रहा है. Yes. So कहाँ पे भी click मत कीजिए. Don't click anywhere. Just click on this constant and just click on fix it. Just click on OK. What is it? Shit. What is this? Undo or click anywhere. Isolate this as well. Okay, let me check. I think this line and this line we don't want two times. So I will just check by using trim option. Okay, good. So we don't want this line. So select like this and delete it. Okay, just a minute. I will explain. Here also I will use trim. I will extend this line like this. Okay, we will need this vertical line as well. आपने already करके रखा है यहाँ पे. So I will take this line directly. Project, low light, isolate, right click, fix it, or you can put the dimension. See, it is, if it is vertical you can put the dimension, लेकिन ज़्यादा ही wavy है तो you can make it fix. Just close the sketch, trim, okay, right click, auto search. You know this option, yes or no, beginners? Auto search, Mehboob,
Yes, sir.
Manish, Swaptik, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fix it, click OK. Perfect, done. That's it. Control 1. Let's delete this history. Delete this, delete this sketch. No use of this करना. You can use pad. Which side? कौन सी साइड में काम कर रहे थे आप? Okay, symmetry. No issue. Just work on one side only because I think we can use mirror option. Click on OK. Done. See, side view में अगर sketch लेते, if you are taking any sketch in the side view, means on the side plane, means y plane, not y plane, x plane. So see, we are able to match these faces in sketch directly, yes or no? Even though we have matched this side, see, okay. See, we have not matched this side. Why? Because it is under shell. Remember, हमने discuss किया था, yes or no? We discussed this topic in our last session. So why it is not matching? Quickly, see, we had the screenshot. Quickly, why it is not matching? Quickly, anyone? अरे ये face क्यों match नहीं हो रहा है? What is the reason? See, we have spent our nearly half hour on this. Quickly, Mahesh, Adas, Mehboob, Abhishek, we have discussed this point. Why it is not matching? See, we have the screenshot. Let me show you. Hello.